How does your phone know your face, or a streaming service know exactly what movie you want to watch next?
Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the so-called magic that powers all this stuff.
Spoiler alert, it's not magic. It's artificial intelligence, or AI, and it's everywhere.
So, let's take a quick tour. We'll break down what AI is and how it actually works.
Basically, AI is all about making machines think and act kind of like us humans.
And machine learning? That's the engine. It learns from data to get smarter over time.
Deep learning takes that even further. Think complex stuff, like voice assistants and self-driving cars.
So, how do they learn? Well, sometimes with labeled data, and sometimes by finding patterns all on their own.
The core of this is something called a neural network. Yeah, it's actually inspired by our own brains.
Okay, so where do you actually see all this stuff in your daily life?
You know, chatbots or translation apps? That's natural language processing, or NLP, at work. And computer vision? That's what gives AI's eyes. It lets machines see and understand our world.
But, with great power comes some pretty big responsibilities and challenges to think about.
We've got to balance all the amazing things it can do with some really important questions.
This is super important. If the data going in is biased, the AI coming out will be biased too.
So has this sparked your curiosity? If you want to start your own AI journey, here's the toolkit. Get a good handle on these 3 things, and you'll have a solid foundation to start building. And for programming in Python, these libraries are your absolute must-haves. They're the building blocks.
The bottom line is AI is reshaping pretty much everything. And honestly, we're just getting started.
AI is here to stay. The real question is, are you going to be a spectator or a creator?